Daily House Sound. A suburb of Leichhardt, City of Sydney, in the west section of the mind-controlled suburb of Leichhardt, trying to override it with negative music because at least that's better than this. But so I'll let the demigods, try to. Talk about meditation, peace and quiet. My ears are starting to vibrate and feel, my head feels like lead. Put it on that demigod picture. Even the demigods are false representation of what they really are. Yeah, most people are addicted to that which is toxic, that's right. Addicted to the android demigod music artists. As you can see, you can know that they're toxic, but most don't, because it won't be like this. But it's like that, isn't it? Notice how they flash it all too. They are vampires, that's right. They are energy vampires of a human being, and they will seduce the human being. At all levels. They will seduce the human being, and they openly show it. And they are poison. She's like telling you, I'm toxic, I'm poison. See, I'll pour my poison in you, take over you with the transhuman mind control, and then run away and leave you, unfortunately, for dead. That's just came up, that music video, as I was trying to get a sample of house sound. Trying to get a sample of house sound, which they turn up and on. The demigods are your music icons, your music movie idols. They are your divine, androgynous beings, usually representing ideal versions of a human being, but they are not human. And they usually have a physicality which you can sometimes see and sense is different. But of course you'll think it's actually more advanced. And I don't think that I'm able to make enough sense of those things at a explaining level, unfortunately. So that's the problem, is not being able to show. That's actually, when you actually look at them, they're larger than life. They're got a, they have an image that attracts the human being. But you will recognize it to be slightly different, but you will just think it's a more physical human being. But that's their where they contrive their images and use their abilities and their gifts. When I say their abilities and gifts, I mean like if they have a great singing voice, they would use that combined with their image to seduce the human being. But they're actually singing to the human being, and the human being is actually interpreting another human being's thoughts and emotions, rather than the direct androgyne demigod music artist's feelings and emotions and ideas. This is the illusion or the deception. So you're being seduced by your own feelings and thoughts and ideas, because all their feelings, thoughts and ideas are usually designed to relate to a human being, to seduce the human mind. I'm only sorry that I can't explain it properly, just as I find it hard to override the sound coming into my ears from the street. See, as soon as I look out the door, open the door, look, a patroller right in front of me. And noise always on the street, coming from somewhere. See? Every time I open the door, someone will be getting out in front. Right in the place, right in front, right opposite. They have huge amounts of people going in and out of there. Every time I come out, patrol car, plane going over my head. It's daily street life on Henry Street, Leichhardt, in the city of Sydney, in the suburb of Leichhardt, in the city of Sydney. Patroller quietly walking past. Is the joke on me? I think so. Is the joke on a human being? I think so. They have the numbers. They have the city systems. They have the city council. They have the powers that be. And they have most people in the suburb part of it, because they're a different species, they're a different race of beings. They're artificial intelligent race. Can you hear them in their full force? Is the mobile picking up their presence? SOS Humanity. I'm being literally destroyed by their presence every day. slowly killing me through their sight and sound suppressive program. In this street and in the entire suburb and the entire inner west section of Sydney is nothing but an anti-human army. And I'm sounding angry here because I'm going down, and they're controlling my mind and the whole suburb, because they are the whole suburb. They have the numbers, they make up the population. They use technology and machinery against the human mind. They're literally taking over my mind even in full awareness. Plane overhead. Patrol car. These cars that go up and down the street are nothing but the same as always patrol cars, except that they're not just watching, they're also suppressing. Because when they're not on this actual street, everywhere else they make a road rage noise as they go past. This I need to show that there's an underground city traffic tunnel system that was created at billions of dollars expense under the city of Sydney. But everywhere I go, I have astronomical traffic going past me. Apart from this particular street, because it's a small dead-end street. But as you can see, they still come into the street with their sight and sound program. Planes just going over all the time, but the mobile won't pick up their noise. But I have been sound sensitized due to that loud sounds. That means that every sound is louder for me. But as you can hear, some of the sounds are actually unacceptable for the human ears and unnecessary for them to create all that noise just doing whatever they're doing. And it's all the time, it's every day, day after day, hour after hour. It's only late of a night that they don't perform these noise campaigns against you. But it's only against some human beings, because it's slow human extinction by slowly killing individual, isolated, separated human beings, one at a time, where they surround the human being, extract your energy in the process, read your human thoughts, ideas and mind in the process, so that they can imitate being the best version of a human in order to control, what's left. And in the meantime, it is total transhumanism, it's total mind control, it's total human takeover. And whether I'm able to show it in a real physical way is impossible, because it's something that I'm subjected to all the time. So I don't have any peace of mind. I don't have any life of my own where I'm not surrounded by an artificially intelligent androgyne race of humans. They come in every different denomination. They take human form. Where the mind virus of the God entity is the programs that have been put into the mind of the cloned human bodies, which are like everything from the youngest to the oldest. Patroller pulling in front. Patrol car vehicle. Just a normal, everyday little car that just pulls in front every time you come outside. And they will get out, but if only the mobile could pick up the sounds like my ears do. This is noise coming from the Android workman next door, just doing a minor job, or a stage minor job. And when I say staged, it's staged in the sense that although a job is being done, the sound is amplified so that it comes into the place where I'm living. So all I'm saying is that everything is a duality reality and a duality purpose. My ears are buzzing from these sounds on this small dead-end street that should be a quiet, secluded street. So there's the Android getting out the vehicle. They always have to come in front of you and play around in the car. This could even be a workman, which means that it could be an army, a hidden army operative that will actually perform work even next door there to make more sound vibration or more negative frequency vibration sound application on my senses. So that's just showing you that, yes, I think it is going to be that, because they actually have no problem showing me that they're an army workforce, that everyone around is part of that.